Hey everyone! Welcome to a new video from Digital Mosaic that will blow your mind. In this video, we are going to discover 5 incredible and effective ways to make money using artificial intelligence. This technology that we used to only see in movies can now help us generate income. If you are interested in using technology to make money, this video is for you. First, let's talk about creating content. We all know that content is king, right? But who has time to write a million articles or create social media posts all day? This is where artificial intelligence comes in to save the day. With tools like ChatGPT, you can generate articles, blogs, and social media content faster than ever. It's impressive. And the best part is that this content made by artificial intelligence can be even better than what a human would write. The important thing here is that artificial intelligence gives you a base. You can take that robotic content and add your personal touch, that unique touch that only you have. And just like that, you have top quality content in record time. And you know what top quality content means? Exactly, money. You can make the most of your content with advertising, affiliate marketing, selling digital products. The possibilities are endless. Get ready to learn. The second way to make money with artificial intelligence is algorithmic trading. Sounds complicated, right? Let me explain it simply. Imagine you have a robot that analyzes the stock market for you, looking for the best investment opportunities. That's basically algorithmic trading. Using platforms like QuantConnect, you can set up algorithms that make trades in the stock market automatically. These algorithms are like little math geniuses that analyze tons of data to make investment decisions faster and better than any human. This saves a lot of time analyzing charts. Obviously, this doesn't mean you're going to get rich overnight. Trading always has its risks, even with artificial intelligence. But if used correctly, algorithmic trading can be a powerful tool to increase your earnings. Have you ever dreamed of having a team of assistants working for you all day and all night? Chatbots are a powerful tool. The third way to make money with artificial intelligence is by creating apps and services that use this technology, and chatbots are essential. Picture this. A customer enters your website at 3 in the morning with an urgent question. Who is going to assist them at that hour? Your chatbot. With platforms like Dialogflow, you can create intelligent chatbots that handle the most common questions, provide information, and even perform simple tasks. This will not only save you time and headaches, but it will also make your business more efficient and help you provide better customer service. And a happy customer is a returning customer. Plus, think about all the things you could do with the time you save, like counting the money you're making thanks to your chatbots. Attention all artists and creatives! The fourth way to make money with artificial intelligence is perfect for you. Did you know that you can now create unique digital art using, you guessed it, artificial intelligence? Tools like DALL-E allow you to create incredible images from descriptions. It's advanced technology that uses algorithms to generate art. You can create anything from abstract designs to characters that look real. The possibilities are endless. And best of all, you can sell these digital masterpieces on platforms like Etsy or Redbubble. Turn your passion into cold hard cash. Imagine people decorating their homes with your AI-generated art. It's like being a renowned artist, but without having to deal with the fans. Last but not least, we come to the fifth way to make money with artificial intelligence: education. We can all be teachers with a little help from technology. If you are an expert in any artificial intelligence tool like ChatGPT or DALL-E, why not share your knowledge with the world? You can create and sell online courses on how to use these tools effectively. Platforms like Udemy are perfect for this. Create a course that catches attention, record explanatory videos, and you're all set. You'll be helping others learn new things and at the same time generating passive income. It's like having your own online school, but without the homework or faculty meetings. And that's all, folks. Those were 5 incredible ways to use artificial intelligence to generate income. As you can see, artificial intelligence is not just science fiction, it's a powerful tool that is within everyone's reach. So don't get left behind, jump on the AI train and start exploring all the opportunities it has to offer. Remember, the future is already here, and it's full of possibilities. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, and subscribe so you don't miss our next videos. See you next time.